Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Vince and today we are making a quick and easy peasy whipped cream. So I'm going to show you two methods for making this. One, I'm going to use an immersion blender, and one I'm going to use just an inexpensive mixer. So we're going to start with a half cup of heavy whipping cream, tablespoon of powdered sugar, quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract. A little goes a long way. We're going to start with our immersion blender. Blend on low for pulse 15 seconds or so at a time. And as you can see, it's getting thicker. Our last 15 seconds. Alright, we want to be sure not to overmix, and can you believe that is done? Nice stiff peaks. And now for our mixer, a half cup of heavy whipping cream, tablespoon of powdered sugar, granulated sugar, whichever is your preference, quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alright, let's give this a check. I think that is it. And they have a very similar texture and consistency. And now, the only thing left is to enjoy them on your favorite dish. So whenever you get a chance, be sure to make this quick and easy peasy whipped cream. It is sure to sweeten up any dish that you make. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.